So here are all the peppers. I'm going to go ahead and pick everything that's ripe because a lot of them are getting eaten and it's really hot and they're struggling to grow. So I'm going to pick them, I'm going to smoke them, and I'm going to dry them. My grasshoppers are insane and they eat everything. The majority of these are going to be jalapenos. Alright, it's in the basket. Now it's time to put it on the smoker. I'm already smoking a turkey, so I might as well use some of that smoke on these peppers. Alright, these have been in there a bit. Time to pull them out. Looks like they got plenty of smoke. Now it's time to dry them out in the dehydrator. Here they are. They're all dried right now. I turned the dryer on for another couple hours before taking them out. Now I'm going to put them into the blender. They have a lot of smoke smell, so I'm excited about this. We're going to let this go for a couple minutes to make a real nice powder. Now this is pretty dangerous, but I'm going to smell it. It's a real nice, smoky, spicy smell. It's quite a bit of powder. The whole room smells spicy and smoky. I'm going to go ahead and use this paper and funnel it into this jar. That's it. That's all it takes. Thanks for watching.